Quick Brown. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Techlife Smartband model TLS B01. And on this video, we are going to have a demo of its smart or push notification. So we'll try whether it work. We will try if it works with Messenger, WhatsApp application, Instagram, Viber, as well as SMS. So if you are interested to see the push notification feature of the Techlife Smart Band, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. Our Techlife here is already paired with the support app, the Fit. We have here the application. Let me show it to you. The Fit. And as you can see here, we already activated the smart notification. We will just disable some of the apps here that we're not going to use. So we'll use the WhatsApp application, Facebook, Messenger, that's it. Also have here the Instagram and KakaoTalk. We don't have the Viber app here, but we will pick the other options. Okay, so seems like everything is okay here. Everything is set. Let's start. Let's go first with the Messenger. So let's send a message to Cindy. So let's say hello. Hello, Cindy. Message sent. Let's wait. Delivered. And we have here our notification. Let's check. We have hello, Cindy. So we have the date here, the logo, and the name of the sender. Let's try to send an emoji. Okay. So there's no support for emoji, as you can see here. Just the name emoji. But we don't have the graphics here. Then next, let's try to send the long message. Let's see. We have a quick brown fox. Okay. So it can display at least two sentences for the smartwatch or smartband. Alphabet and issues by. Okay. So until here. So there are at least two sentences for the message here. Okay, so it works with Messenger. Let's see if we'll receive any call notification. It's calling, and we have here a missed call notification. So it works with our Messenger application. Next, let's have the WhatsApp application. Again, let's send a message to Cindy. Message sent. And we have here the message. So it works with the WhatsApp application also. How about the call? We have here a notification. Incoming voice call. Miss voice call. So far so good with our Techlife. Next, let's have the Instagram app. So let's send a message to Cindy again. Let's say hello also. Hello, how are you? Message sent. Oops, there's no message. Does it work? Oh, and we have it here. Just a late message. but it's working. As you can see here, we have the name of the sender, the date, the logo, and the message. For the missed call, contacting and call, and we have here, let's see, we have in, yes, we do have a missed call notification. It works with Instagram. Next, let's have Viber. Remember, we activated the other application, so hopefully it will work with Viber app, and we have it here. Okay, so it works with the Viber application also. So before we end, let's check SMS notification. So let's send a message to our friend. Hello, Cindy. This is a text. Message sent. Let's wait. And we have here our text message. Hello, Cindy, this is a text. We have the name of the sender, the date, and we have the logo. Again, so here are the messages. So everything works for our Techlife Smartband when it comes to push notifications. Again, if you have any questions regarding the push or the smart notification feature of our Techlife Smartband, drop a comment below. And if you find the video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.